Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss how to use TS filter tool inside the time series Alteryx. So here first let's go on the input output tab, track this input data. Now here you can connect with this file or database. So here I'm going to connect with one database or table, SQL Server employees, and it has the important column hire date. So hire date and let's go back and click on this data source. You can click on this quick connect and it's already some connection out there, so you need to give connection name, localhost, user, click on this test. After that select the database. This is the Adam. So here you can see Adam database is there. Click on this OK. Now employees table that I'm going to select. So DBO, double click on this employees and I need one. Click on this, so it will select all the column. Okay. Now here after click on this time series, TS filter, drag inside the workflow, and here you can see there is no any column selected. Now select this or stabilize the link here, go back to this position and in out browse data and stabilize the link. Now here after, so hire date automatically it's taken. It's only taking date time columns, so date time this is the only. Now here after let's click on this run. So here you can see start running. This is the input data and the total numbers of rows 107, size 13.8 KB, 30% completed. So TS filter has one incoming, one outgoing, and now so in my last video lecture there I discussed about data investigation, spatial documentation interface. So you should check this all my previous video, parse, join, this all those things, and this all that I already discussed. So now it's completed 44%. So since I selected here a minute, so that it's taking time to complete the filtering process. So here 67, 64%, 71% that go inside this browse. So I think it's completed, taken 1 minute times because I selected minute. Now here click on this browse and here you can get the report. So I selected minute, so here total numbers of record display 3, this all, and here this is the record, this all calculated on 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 995 more. And here after original date, this is the original and it's selected this. So like here original date time, employee first name, last name, email and phone number. Now I'm going to check change with year. So change with year, here you can see this is the year 2003, 1 3 4 2 or there. So let's run this once again. So this will take only few second times to complete, only 1 second because I selected the year, and increment that is by 1. Click on this interactive, so this time that's doing the filter on the year basis. So here year that start from 1 that go to 2005. So 2005 29 rows are there, 6 24 and 1 1 4 10 rows are there. Go back, here you can see total 107, unique 8, empty, and here you can see this is the 2001 higher 27% are there. So like this you can do the filtering with month also. Click on select month and click on run. So 1.3 second time taken. Click on this browse. So this time you can see numbers of records are little higher than years. So here you can see this is doing so 3 1 3 2005. So this is 6 times 1 3 2006 5 times 83s or more. This is the original date. So this is the way we can use here or time series TS filter tool inside Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.